Hello everyone, today we are going to learn something new in English. The topic is direct speech. Direct speech is when we say exactly the same words that another person say. We will learn what direct speech is, when we use it, and we will see examples. Are you ready? Let's start. Introductions. What is direct speech? Now let's see what direct speech means. Direct speech is when we say exactly the same words that a person said. When we use direct speech, we use quotation marks. Quotation marks look like this. Quotation marks tell you these are the exact words. The present examples, Anna said, I like the ice cream. The teacher said, open your books. We do not check the words. We repeat them, them exactly the same. Did Anna check her words? No, she said them exactly. Next, when do we use direct speech? Now let's learn when we use direct speech. We use direct speech when first we use direct speech when we repeat what someone say. For example, when your friend talks and you repeat their words. Second, we use direct speech when we tell conversations, like when we tell a history about what people said. Third, we use direct speech when we read histories or dialogues. Characters speak using question marks. And finally, we use direct speech when we talk about daily situations like school, home, or friends. Direct speech helps us understand exact words in conversations and histories. Great job, everyone.
Good evening. I am talking about how do you write directed speak. Directed speak has three important parts. The first part, how is speaking. In this in the person or the character. The second part, a color. These are the two dots that follow the name. The three-part quality mark. We use these symbols to show the messenger. Here we have the example. Don't say when we have the column and finally inside the quality mark, we write the phrase, I am happy. It's very simple. Now, let's look at the verb we use in direct speak. The verb help you understand how the person is speaking. The most common verbs we are used. Say, for normal speaking, ask when someone someone to know something and a question. Tell to give information or an order. Answer when someone repeat to a question. And shoot with someone speaking very loudly or angry. Look at the example on the screen. Mom say, "In this time to sleep." In this sentence, we use the verb say to introduce the messenger. When we follow the rules, we learning the column and the quality mark. Finally, it's important to know the difference between directed speak versus no directed speak. In directed speech is when we use the person name, the column, and the quality pronoun. Quality mark, for example, Anna say, "I like ice cream." In this don't use the quality mark or the color. It is not different speak. Thank you.
Exercises. In the Spark, we practice weight we linear exercises help use you understand how to use direct speak correctly. Beyond these activities, we learn how to collections, mark use columns, and where the exact word is from persons. Practices is very important to improve your English skills. Next, complete complete the sentences. In this exercise, we read each sentence and read it in a direct speech. We must remember to use a colon and quotation mark. For example, Lucy said, "I like apples." The teacher said, "Sit down." Mar said, "I am ready." Mom said, "Dinner is ready." Answer, Lucy said, "I like apples." The teacher said, "Sit down." Mar said, I am ready." Mom said, "Dinner is ready." This activity helps use reconciling correct structure and punctuations in direct speech. Next. Choose the correct sentence and where we chose the sentence weren't in direct speech. The correct sentence advice uses quotations mark and exact words. For example, Tom said, "I am happy." She, she asked, "Where is band?" She asked, "Where is my band?" The boy said, "I like soccer," and that said, "Clean your room." This exercise help you identify direct speak easily and about common mistakes.
Now I'll continue with direct speak. Change to direct speak. Instruction. Change the sentence to direct speak. Follow this step. Think what did the person say. And question mark. Sentences. Maria said that she liked the milk. That told me to do my homework. The teacher said that the class was fun. answered. Maria said, I like milk. Dad said, do your homework. The teacher said, the class in fun. Maria said, I like milk. In this example, we change from direct speak to direct speak. I use Maria exact words. We use question mark. That's it. Do your homework. In this case, in the or in direct speak, order is clear. The teacher said the class in fun. Here is repeat the teacher exact words. Direct speak help and report conversation clearly. Final reminder for students. Direct speak is exact or always use question mark. Use verbs like said, act, told. Direct speech help us tell conversation clearly. Direct speak is very useful because it shows the exact word people says. It helps conversation sound more real and clear.